And now we are setting up the SOUNDCORE A20i with the SOUNDCORE app. So the first thing we do is to download the SOUNDCORE app from the Google Play Store or from the App Store. And then you create an account, you log in, and then you search for the device. Now as you are searching for the device, automatically it will pop. So that's the SOUNDCORE A20i. So set up your device. Let's click that. And here are the application features. First, we have the equalizer, in which we have the bass up, SOUNDCORE signature right there, and other EQ modes: acoustic, bass reducer, classical, podcast, dance, deep, electronic, flat, hip hop, jazz, Latin, lounge, piano, pop, and all of those EQ modes. So those are the default EQ modes we have there. So you can choose. We also have the R&B, rock, small speakers, and spoken word, treble reducer, treble booster, and all others. So that's for the equalizer right there. And then we have the customizable controls for single tap. So you can assign what single tap is. So volume up, volume down, play, pause, next, previews, voice assistant, or none. Also, you can also customize which earbuds will have this function. So the single tap, double tap, and tap and hold. So you can customizably assign those. And then we have this feature, which is find the device. When you click this, when you lose your device, you can just click this and it will make a sound so that you can find where you place your earbuds. And then also we have here the gaming mode, in which this is specifically designed for gaming. Now this will create a low latency mode right here. So let's try that again. So turn on gaming mode to reduce latency and enhance your gaming experience. Now those are the things that we have for A20i from the SOUNDCORE app. Now tell me what you think. This is Rai. See you on the next video. Bye.